Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn or solve practice questions based on motion in a plane part 4. Clear? So in this lecture we will solve 8 practice questions. Clear? So a car is traveling with a velocity of 10 km per hour on a straight road. The driver of the car throws a parcel with velocity of 10 root 2 km per hour. When the car is passing by a man standing on the side of the road. If the parcel is to reach the man, the direction of throw makes the following angle with the direction of the car. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A is 135 degree, option B 45 degree, option C tan inverse root 2 and option D tan 1 by 2. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, car traveling with a velocity of 10 km per hour on a straight road. The driver of the car throws a parcel with velocity 10 root 2 km per hour. Clear? Car passing by a man standing on side road. The parcel is reached the man. The direction of throw make following angle. Clear? We have to find the angle. So solution is the let v1 be the velocity of the car and v2 be the velocity of the parcel. Clear? Let v1 is the velocity of the car and v2 be the velocity of the parcel. The parcel is thrown at an angle theta from q. It reaches the man at m. This is the m. Clear? So using the trigonometry function, cos theta equal to v1 upon v2. Clear? Where v1 10 and v2 10 root 2. And solving this term, 1 by root 2 equal to cos 45 degree. Clear? So from this the angle will be 45 degree. Clear? Angle is 45 degree. So correct answer is B. B is correct answer, 45 degree. Clear? Next question, question 2. Read question carefully and try to solve. A point P moves in counterclockwise direction on a circular path as shown in this figure. Clear? This is point P. Clear? The movement of P such that it sweeps out a length s equal to tq plus 5. Clear? S equal to tq plus 5, where s is in meter and t in second. Here this is the unit of s, meter, and time second. Clear? The radius of the path is 20 meter. The acceleration of point P when t equal to 2 seconds is nearly what? So in this question asked about the acceleration. Option A is 30 meter per second square. Option B is 12 meter per second square. Option C 7.2 meter per second square and option D 14 meter per second square. So which option is correct for this question? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So at point P moves in counterclockwise, anti-clockwise direction. Clear? Direction on a circular path as shown in this figure. Clear? Everything shown in this figure. The movement of P such that sweeps out of a length as equal to this according to question. Clear? We have to find acceleration of P when t equal to 2 seconds. So solution is given s equal to tq plus 5. So using the s we can calculate the speed. Speed equal to ds upon v dt, derivative of. So v equal to 60 and rate of change of speed at equal to dv upon v dt. Clear? So at equal to 60. Clear? Maybe v equal to ds upon v dt 3t square. 3t square. Speed is 3t square. This is 3 t square. Clear? And rate of change of speed is at equal to dv upon v dt, which is equal to 60. Clear? So acceleration is 60. The tangential acceleration at t equal to 2 second, at equal to 6 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 12 meter per second. Clear? And at t equal to 2s, velocity is equal to 3 multiplied by t square. Clear? This term, which is equal to 12 meter per second. And the centripetal acceleration AC equal to v square by 2, which is equal to 144 divided by 20 meter per second square. So net acceleration under root में AC square plus A1 square, which is equal to 14 meter per second square. Clear? So second answer is D is correct. D option is correct. 14 meter per second square. Clear? D option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 3 is this. For a particle in uniform circular motion, the acceleration A at point P r theta on the circle of radius r. Here theta is the measured from the x-axis. Clear? And given options is this: A minus v square by r cos theta I cap plus v square by r sin theta j cap. B is minus v square by r sin theta I cap plus v square r cos theta j cap. And C is minus v square by r cos theta I cap minus v square by r sin theta j cap. And D is v square by r I cap plus v square r j. So which one is correct? A option, B option, C option, D option. Clear? Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So for a particle in uniform circular motion, A equal to V square by R towards center of circle. Clear? So A equal to V square by R bracket minus cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap. Clear? और A equal to minus V square by R cos theta I cap minus V square R sin theta j cap after solving this term. Clear? So correct answer is C. Clear? C is correct answer. Next question, question 4. Directions. Read question carefully. Each of these questions contains two statements. Statement first is assertion. Statement 2 reason. Each of these questions also has four alternative choices, only one of which is the correct answer. You have to select one of the codes A, B, C, D, which is given below. So question is statement first. Rain is falling vertically downwards with a velocity of 3 km per hour. A man walks with a velocity of 4 km per hour. Relative velocity of rain with respect to man is 5 km per hour. Clear? And statement 2, relative velocity of rain with respect to man is given by Vm equal to V minus Vm. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A, statement first is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement first. Option B, statement first is true. Statement second is true. Statement second is not correct explanation for statement first. Option C, statement first is true. Statement second is false. And option D, statement first is false. Statement second is true. So which option is correct? Solve the question. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So, according to question, velocity of rain V equal to minus 3j cap, which is vertically downward. And velocity of man Vm equal to 4i. Relative velocity of rain with respect to man equal to this. Clear? Which is equal to minus 3j cap minus 4i cap. And the magnitude of this term after calculating, which is equal to 5 km per hour. Clear? So correct answer is A, 5 km per hour. A option is correct. Clear? Next question, question 5th, same pattern. Statement first, for the projection angle tan inverse 4, the horizontal and maximum height of a projectile are equal. Clear? Read question carefully. And statement 2, the maximum range of a projectile is directly proportional to the square of velocity and inversely proportional to the acceleration due to gravity. Clear? So which option is correct? Statement first is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is correct explanation for statement first. Option B is statement first is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not correct explanation for statement first. Third option, statement first is true, statement 2 is false. And last option, statement first is false, statement second is true. So which one is correct? A, B, C, D. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know the formula of horizontal range. Horizontal range of the projectile. The horizontal range of the projectile, denoted by R, is equal to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Divided by g. Clear? Where g is acceleration due to gravity. So for the maximum range, angle should be 45 degree. In that case, R maximum equal to u square upon g. Clear? The maximum height attained by the projectile, h equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Clear? If we equate both h maximum height and range, in that case u square sine square theta upon 2g is equal to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Divided by g. Clear? Divided by g. After solving this two term, sine square theta divided by 2 is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Clear? And after solving this term again, tan theta is equal to 4. So theta is equal to tan inverse 4. Theta equal to tan inverse. So this is the answer of the question. So correct answer is B. B is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Sixth question. Same pattern. Statement first. In order to hit a target, a man should point his rifle in the same direction as the target. Statement 2. The horizontal range of bullet is dependent on the angle of projection with the horizontal. So which statement is true? Option A. Statement first is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement first. Option B. Statement first is true. Statement second is true. Statement second is not correct explanation for statement first. Option C. Statement first is true. Statement second is false. And option D. Statement first is false. Statement second is true. Which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, a man should point his rifle in the same direction as the target. And statement 2, the horizontal range of bullet is dependent on the angle of projection with the horizontal. Clear? So, solution is, to hit a target, the man should aim his rifle at a point higher than the target as the bullet suffers a vertical deflection. Clear? Due to acceleration due to gravity. So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 7. Same pattern. Statement first assertion. The range of r of a projectile launched at an angle theta with initial velocity v naught is given by the formula this r equal to v naught square sine 2 theta divided by g. Clear? And statement 2 reason. The range is maximized when the angle of projection is angle of projection theta is 45 degree. Clear? The given options A, B, C, D. This is a very easy question. Given option, statement first is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement first. Clear? Option B, statement first is true, statement second is true, statement second is not the correct explanation for statement first. Option C, statement first is true, statement second is false. Option D, statement first is false, statement second is true. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, range given is this r equal to v naught sine 2 theta divided by g. And the range is maximized when angle of projection theta is 45 degree. Clear? The solution is, this is the range formula, is indeed the correct formula for the range of projectile launched at an angle theta. Clear? With initial velocity v naught. This statement is true. Clear? And the range of maximized when theta is 45 degree. Clear? Because at this angle sine 2 theta, which is equal to sine 90 degree, and this is the maximum case which maximize the range. Clear? Means at when the theta is 45 degree, the range is maximum. This statement is also true. Clear? So correct explanation and correct answer is A. Clear? A is correct answer. So statement A is correct answer. Clear? Next question. 8th question. Same pattern. Statement first. Angle between I plus J and I is 45 degree. Statement 2. I plus J is equally include to both I and J. And the angle between I and J is 90 degree. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A is statement first is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement first. Statement first is true, statement second is true, statement second is not correct explanation for statement first. Option C, statement first is true, statement second is false. And option D, statement first is false, statement second is true. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, angle between I plus J and I cap is 45 degree. And statement 2, I cap plus J cap is equally include to both I cap and J cap. And the angle between I and J is 90 degree. Clear? So, we know the formula cos theta equal to I cap plus J cap dot I, and I cap plus J cap dot magnitude of I cap. Clear? So which is equal to 1 by root 2 and which is equal to cos 45 degree. Clear? So this is the simple scalar product terms. Clear? This question solved by using the scalar product. So theta is 45 degree. Hence angle between I and J is 90 degree. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? This is the solution of question 8. Clear? Now summary. The formula used in today's lecture, or we learned these formulas. First is angle of throw, which is cos theta equal to V1 upon V2. Second is tangential and centripetal acceleration, which is AT is equal to ds upon dt and AC V square upon R. Clear? Acceleration in uniform circular motion, A equal to minus V square by R cos theta I cap minus V square by R sin theta j cap. Relative velocity, V equal to V rain minus V man. Clear? And projectile motion, H equal to R. Clear? Aiming calculation, resultant of vectors and angle between vectors, which is theta equal to tan inverse y upon x. Clear? So these concepts, questions we learned in today's lecture. Clear? Thank you.